Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into Python to create a simple yet powerful GUI news application. This app will use Tkinter for graphical interface and the News API to fetch real-time news data. Let's have a look at the demo. So let me give you a quick overview of what we are building. We are creating a GUI news app that fetches the latest headlines using the News API. The interface will be built using Tkinter, making it user-friendly and visually appealing. As you can see, it has a button over here. Just click on this button to fetch the news. And you got the news over here. To kick things off, ensure you have Tkinter installed. If not, you can install it using the pip install tk. Now, let me open up our code editor and we will start building our news app. Now let's dive into the code. We begin by importing the necessary library like Tkinter for the GUI, scroll text for the text widget, and request for fetching the data from the News API. Now we will initialize our main class, which is News App, which will handle the creation of our GUI. Inside the class, we have to mention create widgets. Here, we define the structure of our GUI, including a scrolled text widget to display news and a button to fetch the latest headlines. Now comes the exciting part, which is the fetching of the news data. In the fetch news method, we use the request library to make an API call to the News API. Now make sure to replace your API key with your actual API key. And that's a wrap. We have successfully built a GUI news application using Python, Tkinter, and the News API. Feel free to customize and enhance the app further based on your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your comments below. Happy coding, and I will catch you in the next one. Goodbye.